Making of, the making of. Roger. Watch this. We're going to speed up. Doesn't have a reverse on it. Get this.
Oh.
Power? Does it got power?
Yes.
I'd say so. Okay, guys, this is just an unbiased review here of my Ryobi 40-volt lithium battery brushless mower, electric. And you say it's like gas power. Well, this grass is about 4 feet tall here, and I ripped through it. So, yeah, he'll get the job done. Make the battery, get 2 batteries if you got big yard. Now I'll show you a couple things here. Okay, just a little bit on how to run this bad boy, and a mod that you can do here, which I'm going to do here, is install a little beer holder there. You need to do that. That's a must. Okay, now what you do to start this bad boy, right? You just pull it back like that. Oh shit. Okay. This is why you want the beer holder, because you kind of need 2 hands for this. Okay, show you something here. It's got a self-propelled speeds. As you can see, you can go faster or slower or whatever. So, okay, you just pull this in, you push this button, fires up. You're good to go. You can just push it like that now, or whatever. And these here, those are for your tires. Okay. So you get her going. There we go. Sometimes it takes a little bit to get her going, but not bad. Slow her down. There you go. Nice, quiet. Just let things go here. Want to start her again? Push the button. Fires up. Like you get earthquake. You're off. Okay, there you go. Okay, now, like I said, it just holds like that, right, for your height adjustment with the clips. And then it's got these little clips on the side. You just pull them out. And then, boom. Well, obviously take this off, right? Boom. You got like a light on space. There you go. Well, hey guys, I hope that helped you out on making your decision. I have to say, I was a little leery if it was gonna do it, because we got really tall grass, southern exposure. So yeah, man, it works great. It's awesome, good stuff. So hey, thanks for watching here, and go mod this bad boy out and put it on my my beer holder rack, because every guy needs one of those, right? Or woman even. Like, you know. Anyhow, you guys keep calm, be cool. Till next time.